Hi. So one thing that you might remember about me is I love blind boxes, and I actually haven't opened any in quite some time. This was gotten for me as a gift, so we're gonna save this one last. This is the swing Kirby, and I can't wait to open it. These ones are so expensive. And then Magic Mixies. This is the fun toy, and I think this is like a separate thing. I don't know, we'll figure it out together. And then these were on sale recently at the store, and the only reason why I thought, oh, that's cute, I'll get them, is because they have like a Shiba, cat, a gold bunny, there's a lamb, it's a chicken, there's a chicken. So I thought, how cool is that? I have to have it. What I'm hoping for is definitely the chicken. I definitely want the chicken. And I definitely am hoping for the Shiba. And either the lamb, the cat, or the rare, obviously. So I thought, all right, we'll open these up on YouTube together and see what we got. So let's do it. These were in the clearance aisle at Walmart, and I can imagine they were expensive. Oh look, we have a ducky making a debut. Hi, did you want to help me? Yeah, you're gonna help me. Very helpful. Okay, cool, thank you. So I got 3 of them, but if they're cute enough. Oh my god, stop. I got the chicken! I got the chicken! I got the chicken! Look at the chicken! Oh my gosh, it's so cute! What is she called? She's called Popcorn Chicken. But her eyes are closed. It's weird, because on the box, isn't it cute? It's not for you, it's for me, but maybe it's for you. Oh, it's fun just to play with the box. Oh, wow, what a toy. Hey, I need to open that. Maybe I can trade you. Maybe I can give you this one and you can give me that one. Ducky, can I have that? But yeah, her eyes here are closed, and on the box, they're open. So that's interesting. For her little fortune says, be kind. I got the popcorn chicken. Cute. Maybe I can hammer all 3 out. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Do you want me to open this one? Here, here's a box. Look. Look. Hello. So, yep. This video turns into a cat playing stream. Oh, now we have a Piper. Hi. What's going on in here, huh? She's making a ruckus. Oh boy. Okay. Well, here we go. Number 2. Let's hope for the Shiba, please. I want the Shiba. I want the Shiba. I want the Shiba. I want the Shiba. Oh, we got another chicken. Are these all chickens? Well, we got 2 chickens now. Oh, 1 for Piper and 1 for Ducky. Just kidding. If we get 3, 1 for Piper, 1 for Ducky, and 1 for Mom. If we can get 3. Ducky, I don't know. I know, she's fucking crazy, huh? She's crazy, Piper. She's crazy. Come on, Shiba. Oh, I got the monkey. No bad days. Well, got the monkey. It's alright, I suppose. Monkey split. That's what it's called. 2 popcorn chickens and a monkey split. I don't know, they're pretty cute. They're like TY Beanie Babies cute. Hi, why are you attacking me? Can I help you? I decided to do it in the kitchen because the light was so good. I didn't realize I was going to have everybody joining me. Becky, you cannot fit in that box. We can try. Look, we can try. Look, right here. But I gotta be honest with you. You're a bit bigger. Oh, okay. You don't really care about what I have here for you? you want to try to get in the box now? No? You're distracted by the dishwasher? Sorry guys, I have the dishwasher going. Go for the last third box. Look, they're all over here. Come on. I told you you don't fit. No, I'd rather you not chew on that. Get a kitten, they said. It'll be fun, they said. But you can't fit in there. Okay, here. No, oh, that's cute. That's cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, is that your baby? Is that cute? Yeah, okay. Cool. Let's open this one. So heckin' cool. But what kind of mixing will you create? Rub the gem to find out. There's a gem. I'm gonna need 10 minutes later. She finally gets it open. First review of the product. It's impossible to open. Okay, so these are some of the ones I can get, I guess. And what I'm supposed to do is rub the gem to find out. Oh. I see a common. It's a moon. Is this thing gonna blow? Okay. Do I pull it off? Oh. Okay, doesn't do anything cool. Oh! Oh! It's a mini version. Oh, this changes everything. You can... Wow! Flyers, spellsters, charmlings, castlings. Cool, there's 40 plus. Okay, so there's all these different ones. There's that. Oh. Oh. What is happening here? We got cute. Oh, she's cute. What is your name? You are Ashu. You're a charmling. Ashu. So now, it shows this. One, warm water or cold water. And you put the water on the thing and something happens. Reveal their charm within. Okay, so I guess we'll do warm water. This little this is not for... Get a kitten, they said. So what's cold water do? Also, maybe we just do that, you know? Cut out the middle. Ooh. Cookie. No, that's not the flavor. She has to be so involved in everything. I don't understand what we're supposed to do here. Is it just change water color? Like it goes see-through? Is that what this is? Apparently there's something in the microwave. Cat's chewing on this. No. You're trouble. Okay. So, oh, she's got stars and stuff inside. Confetti. Confetti inside, I guess. Is that all? Well, it's kind of fun. I would do it again. These guys are really cute. Is she gonna forever be this color, or is she gonna change back? What's cold water do? Oh, cold water changes her back. I think. Let's find out. Yep. It appears that cold water turns her back, I think, to what she originally looked like. Ducky, all of a sudden you're super thirsty, huh? Okay. Neat. Well, that's a fun one. Yeah, it's water, you goof. Let you just play with that, I guess. Moving on. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Okay, so there's a few different options. There's Kirby on, it's called Beam Kirby. And this is Sword Kirby and Meta. If out of these three, I definitely want Beam. And out of these, oh, any of them. Oh my god, they're beautiful. I want all of these. So this is Warp Star. This one is Parasol Waddle. And this one is Waddle Bee. I hope it's one of these. So we'll find out. Oh, well, it's not so bad. It's still a thing. They should have made the bag not see-through. I feel like they should have made it. So here's that. Oh. Oops. And then he, oh, hangs. How? Is there like another piece that how do you hang there? Oh, like that. Oh, okay. can't even tell it's Kirby. But here we are. I hope you enjoyed this very entertaining video, complete with kitten play and eating things she shouldn't be, and some fun toys. I hopefully will be able to open more of these in the future with this thing. Say bye, Ducky. Hey, say bye. Say bye. Bye for now.